on the issue of Joseph Kony. You all know that ICC wants to start trial even if Joseph Kony is not yet captured. The development that has just poked in is an African news. African lawyers have lodged a protest against the International Criminal Court, ICC, accusing the institution of racial bias in the recruitment process for selecting a lawyer to defend Joseph Kony, the notorious warlord. I think this is interesting. The fight for money or the fight for the justice of Joseph Kony, those two things, me and you really know the answer. In their protest letter, dated the August 26th, the lawyers under the African Bar Association alleged that the ICC conducted a secretive selection process to appoint Kony's defense lawyer, excluding qualified African candidates, and this information is just being unearthed. 1 month almost already gone, and it is just being digged out or revealed. So the lawyers claim that after the court advertised for candidates to represent Kony, the rebel leader of the Lord's Eastern Army, a total of 72 lawyers applied, but only 3 were known to be from Kenya, Uganda, and Liberia. They criticized the ICC for not setting up an open vetting process, failing to publish the rules of engagement, the criteria for shortlisting the 10 candidates, later reducing the number to only 6. The lawyers claim that the ICC failed to provide any transparency regarding how the process was conducted. Ultimately, a British national, Mr. Peter Hinas, was selected as the defense lawyer for Joseph Kony. Joseph Kony, the elusive leader of the LRA, faces 36 counts of war crimes and crimes against humanity. Some of the Ugandan lawyers on the ICC's list of counsel as of September 30th include Moses Adriko Jurwa, I think this is from the West Nile, Valentine Magala, and Jude Ogik. Ogik is possibly a long name. That is among others. So this is the first development. African lawyers believe or think that there is segregation on race for selecting lawyer to defend Joseph Kony. Thank you.